Hey guys, my near 30-year-old Honeywell thermostat is finally giving up, so I'll show you how to remove it from the wall. But before you do this, be sure to turn off the power to the unit, and you might have to do this from your main fuse box.
This is the Honeywell thermostat. Problem I'm having is this down button seems to be burnt out. I can increment up, but it will not go down. So I'm gonna replace this. So I'm gonna turn it off. I don't know if you need to take off that cover, but anyway, this model, when I look it up, it says it's T8112D. I don't know what the rest of the number is, but T8, if you Google for T8112D Honeywell thermostat, you'll find the instructions and some of the videos. I was trying to figure out how to actually take this out. I didn't want to break it. Basically, I read the instructions and it wasn't very clear, so I just pulled on it, okay? Pulled on it, and the entire thing comes out. So I felt like it was gonna break, but I was able to pop it out. Okay, so it just took a little bit of force. So now let's look inside. Okay, so that's the wiring. So I'm gonna remove those and then replace it with the new thermostat. Okay, so just had to unscrew the wires and it's out. And if you look at the tab, like where my finger is, it looks like it latches onto these 4 points. So the objective is if you just pull away from the wall, it'll pop out.
So if you Google on Honeywell thermostat model, and here's the model number, manual, then you'll get these results. And I found this first link. Some of the other links have advertisement and they're not as good. But if you click on the first link, you'll come to this. And in case you still want to salvage and continue to use this, it'll give you all the details, including how it was mounted and all the wiring and etc. Okay, and it even tells you how to remove. They said to take it out this way, but I found it. Just pull on it from each side and it'll come out. I'll put the link to this PDF file in the description below. So in case you guys are interested, I'm gonna replace this with Emerson's Sensi smart thermostat on next video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.